How to use Claude Code in Android Studio. So first, once you're in Android Studio, I opened up like a little project here. Click the main menu, go to File, then go to Settings, click Plugins, and now just type in Claude. And from here you get a bunch of plugins. All of these plugins are third-party plugins that people made. So what you want to do is to check how many downloads a plugin has and the rating beside it. So the best one is the one with 500,000 downloads and 4.6 rating. Let's download that one. Now, how to use Claude. Go to the terminal, and here you're gonna see AI agents on the right. Click on it and then click Claude Code. Okay, great. So now it opened up Claude. Now what you need to do is press 2 on your keyboard to activate dark mode. And now all you need to do is log in with your Claude account. So here, let's tap 1. And now go to the link and make sure that you upgrade to Max or Pro Claude so that you can use Claude AI. Now, once running, you can ask things like explain this project, fix this crash, convert this Java file to Kotlin, create a room database, write unit tests, and stuff like that. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.